With Bond Luxury Properties, and I'm super excited to share with you our newest listing in Coral Ridge Country Club. This property is 3920 Northeast 21st Avenue. It's a 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom home with a pool, great covered lanai, tons of great landscaping. Come on in, let's take a quick peek. So thanks so much for coming and take a look at the video of our new listing at 3920 Northeast 21st Avenue. If you have any questions, would like to schedule a private tour of the property, please feel free to reach out to us directly anytime. Our number is 954-648-9957. Thanks so much and have a great day.